In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use alt codes in PowerPoint. Alt codes are incredibly handy keyboard shortcuts that allow you to insert a wide array of symbols and special characters effortlessly. This can be especially useful in presentations when you need to include specific symbols that aren't readily available on your keyboard. First things first, let's make sure we're on the same page about what alt codes are. These are combinations involving the Alt key and a sequence of numbers on the numeric keypad. By pressing these in the right order, you can unlock a variety of symbols to use in your PowerPoint slides. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to a slide where you want to insert a symbol. Click inside a text box or shape to activate it. Once your cursor is blinking inside the box, you're in the right spot. Now it's time to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. This is the integral part of the process, as it signals your keyboard to start listening for that special number combination. Next, you'll need to use the numeric keypad, which is typically located on the right side of your keyboard. It's crucial to use this keypad because the Alt codes won't work with the number keys at the top of your keyboard. Now, while continuing to hold the Alt key, type in the numeric code that corresponds with the symbol or character you want to insert. For example, if you want to insert the copyright symbol, you would type 0169. Once you've entered the numbers, simply release the Alt key. Voila! You should now see the symbol appear right where your cursor is placed. If you'd like some practice, try entering Alt plus 0169 for a copyright symbol. Remember, this is a simple yet powerful shortcut that can save you time and effort. There are a few important notes to keep in mind to make sure everything works smoothly. First, always ensure that the numlock on your keyboard is switched on, otherwise the numeric keypad won't work. For those using laptops that don't have an obvious numeric keypad, you might need to enable a numpad overlay, often by pressing Fn and Alt together, although this can vary by model. To get you started, here are some commonly used Alt codes in PowerPoint. You can insert a copyright symbol with Alt plus 0069, or a registered trademark with Alt plus 0074. If you need a checkmark, try Alt plus 0252. For arrows, perhaps for use in lists, Alt plus 145 will give you what you need. Enjoy using these shortcuts to enhance your presentations, and remember, practicing these codes will make them second nature over time. Hopefully this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on mastering PowerPoint.